All right, guys. I think I skipped a few steps, recording anyways, but kind of just wanted to focus on getting this thing out because it's sold. So, yeah, I want to get it out. I told the guy 2 weeks, but I'd like to give myself enough time. So I think we finally tested the tensile strength on everything that we can in there now. And I think I got to unhook one more transmission harness wire. But other than that, it might come out. Maybe not. Well, it should. I might just have to lift it up higher. There's like a power steering line that I gotta clear. I wish my hoist wasn't such a piece of shit. See how it's all cocked sideways like this? It wants to just go straight sideways. Should be able to come straight out. Oh man, this fucking hoist sucks. There, turn the wheel by hand. I think I'm actually caught up on the shifter. Entertainment tonight, boys and girls. How can I do this without actually injuring myself severely? I think I should give it another pull. Oh boy. There. Shifter. Look how shitty this hoist is. Okay, just go straight sideways when I'm pulling on it. So that's usually what happens with it, because one of the wheels is actually a different size because I broke one and I welded one on. Welded a different one on. So here's the last little bit of the wiring for the trans harness. There's like 30 fucking zip tie clip things on the back of this thing. And they're all bolted on. Nobody got time. Nobody got time for that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I think we're out of the frame now. Okie dokie. Artichoke. I don't even know if that'll sit down in between the hoists. Let's try it. What do you think, gents? What do you think, gentlemen? Whee! All right. That wasn't so bad.